Hi, you're watching our series on challenges in everyday communication. Today, we are focusing on one of the most important and sometimes stressful aspects of life, talking about medical information. Whether it's understanding your diagnosis, following medical instructions, or communicating with healthcare providers, medical information can be overwhelming. But with the right strategies, you can take control and feel more confident in managing your health. I'm Alex, Lingraphica's consumer education specialist and a speech-language pathologist. First, let's talk about what aphasia is. Aphasia is a language disorder that can impact your ability to speak, understand, read, or write. Aphasia impacts language, not intelligence, and it often happens after a stroke or brain injury. Common challenges. Here are some common challenges that people with aphasia might face when dealing with medical information. Understanding medical terms. Medical terms can be complicated and hard to understand, especially if you have aphasia. The staff may talk fast or not quite understand your aphasia. This can make it difficult to grasp important information about your health. Communicating symptoms and concerns. It can be challenging to describe your symptoms, your concerns, or how you're feeling to your doctor or other healthcare providers. This might lead to frustration or worry that your needs aren't being fully understood. Following medical instructions. After a doctor's visit, you might receive instructions about medications, treatments, or follow-up appointments. Understanding these instructions can be difficult, especially if they involve multiple steps or specific details. Strategies. Here are some strategies to help you manage medical information more effectively. Prepare ahead of time. Before your appointment, write down any symptoms, questions, or concerns that you want to discuss. This will help you stay focused during the visit and ensure that you cover everything that is important. You can also bring a caregiver or a friend to help take notes. Organize and simplify medical information. Keep all of your medical information in a digital or paper folder. Bring this with you to appointments. Use a communication board or a device to talk about your medications, appointments, and other important information. Lingraphica's tools can help you express yourself at the doctor, from our pain scales to our communication devices. Utilize caregiver support. Involve your caregiver or a trusted person in managing your medical information. They can help remind you of appointments, ensure you're taking your medications correctly, and help you with communicating with your healthcare providers. Lingraphica's resources. Lingraphica offers several resources to help you manage your medical information more effectively. Communication boards. Our communication boards can be used to talk about symptoms such as pain. This makes it easier to communicate with your healthcare team and keep track of your health. Communication devices. Lingraphica's devices allow you to store important medical information and generate speech for common phrases that you might need during a doctor's visit, such as, I need a refill, I need help, or can you explain that again? Virtual connections. Our Virtual Connections program offers live online sessions where you can learn more and talk about medical issues in a safe and supportive environment. This is a great way to build your confidence and improve your understanding of medical information. Living life with aphasia can be challenging, but remember, you are not alone. Lingraphica is here to help. our devices, apps, and community support can help you better navigate your journey with aphasia. Visit our website to learn more and join our community. Thanks for watching.